One of the areas that InQI can help is by tracing an area and dedicating it to certain element. In this scenario, we're going to talk about how to add grass to a site plan. So you simply go to lawn and grass on the object menu, select it, and let's say you wanted to turn this whole front yard to grass area. So you simply trace it on the picture. These are the latest imagery. So you actually have all of the right measurements and so forth. So you just now mark this section to be a grass area. And you could do this all over the place as well. Different areas could be turned into a grass area. So that when you go into export and export it out into AutoCAD or various other formats, you will have that defined place and all the measurements and square footage and so forth all intact.